What is Zener diode? Why and where Zener will be used? A Zener diode is a special type of semiconductor device. Actually, it's a diode that operates under reverse bias conditions. In simpler terms, it conducts electricity when the current flows in the opposite direction of a regular diode. It is named after Clarence Melvin Zener, who first described the electrical properties of this diode in 1934. Clarence Melvin Zener is theoretical physicist. One of his most well-known discoveries is the Zener effect, describing electrical breakdown due to the tunneling of electrons. Here is the symbol of Zener diode. One is, this side is cathode and other one is anode side. And one more, here you can see the Zener diode. This Zener diode nothing but a p-n junction, but here because of heavy doping, Zener diodes have a very thin depletion layer. There are two types of breakdown regions in a Zener diode. What are those? One is avalanche breakdown, other one is Zener breakdown. So what are those? In details we will check one by one. Avalanche breakdown. The avalanche breakdown occurs in both normal diode and Zener diode at high reverse voltage. When high reverse voltage is applied to the p-n junction diode, the free electrons velocities. The free electrons moving at high speed will collide with the atoms and knock off more electrons. These electrons are again accelerated and collide with the other atoms. Because of this continuous collision with the atoms, a large number of free electrons are generated. As a result, electric current in the diode increases rapidly. This sudden increase in electric may permanently destroy the normal diode. Means, see here, the wide depletion region will be there. Here is the P channel is connected with the negative of the battery and N channel is connected with the positive of the battery. When the high electrons, see free electrons, what it will do, it will collapse with the atoms by forcefully. Then multiple electrons will create. This may damage the diode. However, avalanche diode may not be destroyed because they are carefully designed to operate in avalanche breakdown region. Avalanche breakdown occurs in Zener diode with Zener voltage Vz greater than 6 volts. What is the condition? If it is greater than 6 volts, then avalanche breakdown will work. Okay. In Zener only, avalanche is the different type. Zener breakdown. The Zener breakdown occurs in heavily doped p-n junction diodes because of their narrow depletion region. When reverse biased voltage applied to the diode is increased, the narrow depletion region generates strong electric field. When reverse bias voltage applied to the diode reaches close to Zener voltage, the electric field in the depletion region is strong enough to pull electrons from their valence band. The valence electrons, which gains sufficient energy from the strong electric field of depletion region, will break bonding with the parent atom and become free electrons. These free electrons carry electric current from one place to another place. At Zener breakdown region, a small increase in voltage will rapidly increases the electric current. The major difference between Zener and avalanche effects are here. See, the main depletion region in avalanche is very thick and in Zener it's thin. And junction, it will destroy in avalanche and it won't destroy in Zener. Okay, electric field, it will be very weak in avalanche and it will be very strong in Zener. It produces pairs of electrons and hole in avalanche, but only electrons in Zener. And doping is very low in avalanche and very high, heavy in Zener. Reverse potential, what it will be in in avalanche it will be high and in Zener it will be low. Temperature coefficient, in avalanche it's very positive and in Zener it's a negative. ionization because of collision. But in Zener, it's because of electric field. Breakdown voltage is directly proportional to the temperature in avalanche and inversely proportional to the temperature in Zener diode.